Excuse me. Could you answer a few questions to go on the screen?
Go on, do it.
Oh,
Do it.
What are you looking forward to seeing most of all?
The noise and the large number of people.
Yeah?
Yeah, that sort of thing excites me. So,
In what way?
I don't know, it's just, it sort of builds up emotions,
Yeah?
makes you feel good, that sort of thing.
That's
I don't even
brilliant.
care what the music is. I have no idea what sort of music I'm going to be listening to today. So I just thought I'd come
Looking
along.
forward to it.
Yeah.
Have you got any words of wisdom for other festival goers?
Enjoy yourself and take it easy. Try not to get
Yeah.
too involved with the emotions, feelings of the place, because it might carry you away to very surreal places.
You got any words of wisdom?
Strive to stay alive. It's definitely got me the words of wisdom for today's lesson.
So whereabouts are you from?
I'm from France.
What's the best thing about the island?
It's an island.
Whereabouts in France?
South of France. So my parents live between Lyon and Grenoble. But I prefer say I'm from Provence because all my family are from Provence.
And have you got any hellos or messages?
Just big hello to Jordan Fee.
Have you been up there before?
No, I mean in Stranraer and Lewis never.
My advice for a perfect festival, stay drunk, you don't get a hangover.
So are you looking forward to going to the festival?
I'm looking for
What's your favourite breakfast, Sarah?
Oh, it's got to be Old Brand.
Yeah?
Regular. Yeah.
Okay,
It's rain.
recording.
I see the sun. It's
I'm
up
whipping her
there.
into a frenzy, look.
We're here for the session.
Who are you looking forward to seeing?
I'm looking forward to seeing Led Zeppelin, mate. Totally.
We're both from Compton.
It's my first year, but it's his second year.
So whereabouts have you come from?
We're from the USA. I live in Washington, D.C., and she's from a little bit south of there.
Right, and what are you looking forward to most about the
About
festival?
the festival? Well, there's some big names here, but mostly just came from the atmosphere and the camaraderie,
Yeah.
that kind of thing.
So what do you think to the camaraderie?
It seems pretty cool so far.
Have you got anything you want to say?
Not a great deal, really, no.
No? What are you smoking?
Embassy. Embassy.
No, it's not, it's Regal.
Oh, is it? Regal Embassy.
What are you all drinking?
Guinness.
Shandy, I'm afraid, because I've got a car.
What sort of car you got?
Primera.
But I like the Gaelic music.
Yeah.
Although I'm not a Gaelic speaker, but I know the music.
So what's the best thing about the festival for you?
I'll tell you, worst thing is walking to it.
When you're 83, it's difficult to get around.
How about dancing when you get there?
No, I want to be dancing, no.
Would you like to hold that?
I guess.
So whereabouts have you come up from?
I live here.
Yeah, get involved. How do you fit the music? Fits the landscape?
Well, it's pretty apt when you think about it, because I guess the basis is in the Scottish tradition, but it's kind of an update on that Celtic rock fusion.
How do you think the music fits the weather?
It's a little bit more upbeat at the moment, but the weather has been pretty good so far.
We came to see the Levellers and the Hot House Flowers, but I think there's lots on that'll be quite good as well.
What anything in particular?
No, just to enjoy the
whole
whole atmosphere of the weekend. It would be a great time.
Yeah.
I love Celtic music
Right.
and wanted to really immerse myself in it. It really, it's very heart music. And
Whereabouts have you come from?
I've actually just moved here from Edinburgh, so I just moved here about 3 weeks ago.
You get moved in all right?
Yeah, it was pretty good, pretty easy, so the house is all sorted now.
And are you going to the festival this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going tonight
Who are you looking forward to seeing?
Blazing Fiddles. That's what I'm really looking forward to. And I've got some friends coming over, so we're all
Do you
going
want to say hello to them?
Okay, hello Gail. And Seamus, hello Seamus.
Whereabouts have you come up from?
We've come, originally from Edinburgh, but we're in Benbecula for 3 weeks and just over for the weekend for the festival.
Who are you looking forward to seeing?
Hot House Flowers.
Flowers,
we were. Yeah.
That's my
Right.
best side.
Yeah. Is that your best side?
That's cute, yeah.
So whereabouts have you come from?
I actually own McNeil's.
How do you think the festivals made the island better?
Well, certainly we've had a lot of people, and we have a lot of sessions and a lot of music on. So it's just it brings people like from all over the world. It's just fabulous.
Yeah.
It's really, really good. Yeah.
What else do you think there is to do on the island when during festival time that...
There's loads of things to do. We've got surfing's a really big thing up here, and the shops are all buzzing, and the beaches. It's a lovely day today, so I'm sure there's going to be a few people at the beaches. The Cali Stones are a big place to be as well.
Plenty of hippies up there.
Sorry?
Plenty of hippies up there.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a place to be.
We live on a beach in Florida, so we're excited to see a different kind of beach.
We went to a Gaelic singing workshop today. And have you ever tried to sing Gaelic from the printed word? It's absolutely...
Would you like to have a go?
Oh, it's impossible. But we loved it, you know, and are going to tape record. Yeah. So we're getting a chance to maybe catch a little bit of the original traditional spirit of it.
Well, we went to the Stones today. I know it's a touristy thing, but we did it. Went to the Calendish Stones. They were beautiful. It was fantastic.
I like how the music fits the landscape.
Yeah,
being
that's really
here
good.
in person.
Yeah. How do you think it fits it?
Good question.
The wildness, the hauntingness, kind of sad and joyful at the same time.
It's very good for the youth. Any kind of music is good for youth, I believe. But good music, yeah. Not some other rubbish to listen to, yeah?
Exactly.
I won't be able to go up to the tent because obviously it'll be too busy in the bar.
Yeah. That's work.
Right, that's it, yeah.
So some people have to work at the
festival.
That's
it. Some people do, yeah. But it's a good week, it really
so don't
is.
forget them.
Yeah.
Have you got a message to say to the people that aren't working?
Have a fabulous time.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is
Faye.
We're up from Kilwinning in North Ayrshire for the Hebridean Celtic Festival. Yesterday we saw the Levellers, which was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good fun.
Yeah, and we're going to the one on Sunday to see the Afro-Celtic sound system thing. So we're looking forward to that. And that's a wrap.